Find the first and second derivatives of the following functions manually and using your CAS. Well, let's look at manually first. So this first one, first derivative is dy dx. So we can see that's going to be 12x cubed take away 12x squared. And then d2y dx squared means we just differentiate this again. So that's 36x squared take away 24x. Now if we look at b, we're going to have to use the chain rule here. So dy dx is going to be 4 5x minus 3 cubed, and then multiply by the differential of the inside, which in this case is 5. So that's going to be 20 5x minus 3 cubed. Then it's also chain rule to differentiate again. So we've got 3 times 20, that's 60. 5x minus 3 squared, and then once again multiply by the differential of the inside. So that's giving me 300 5x minus 3 squared. Now if we look at this third one, we could use a quotient, but I'd advise not when the top is just a constant, and definitely not when the bottom is just a constant. So I'd rewrite this one as 2x minus 1 to the negative 1, and once again we've got to use the chain rule. So dy dx is, drop the negative 1 down in front, and then we've got 2x minus 1 to the negative 2, so we reduce the power, and multiply by the differential of the inside. So that's going to be negative 2x minus 1 to the negative 2, which is negative 2 over 2x minus 1 squared. Then to differentiate that again, obviously we're going to go from here rather than the bottom one. So negative 2 comes down in front of multipliers, we get a positive 4. 2x minus 1 to the negative 3. Multiply by the differential of the inside, and that gives us 8 2x minus 1 to the negative 3. So that gives us 8 over 2x minus 1 all cubed. Now let's have a look at the CAS, and there's various ways that we can do this, so let's use the CAS and not that one. Now one of the ways is to go interactive, calculation, differential, and let's just do this one. So we've got 5x minus 3, and that's to the power 4. Our variable is x, first differential, and differentiate, and we've got 25x minus 3 cubed. Now if instead there we'd done 5x minus 3 to the power 4, but we'd put a 2 in there, it does the second differential, order of differential, and that's 300 5x minus 3 all squared. Now there's other places we can find these things, so we can go into the keyboard, and these templates here, so if we're doing ddx of, and let's put in there 5x minus 3 to the power 4, and we get the same answer. And we can use this template here, so put dx, so it's going to be d2 there, dx squared, and put the 5x minus 3 to the 4 in here, and we should get the same answer again. And note, you can have higher order differentials, d3 y dx cubed and so on. It's just that we don't really need them in this course.